All right, mate. Tom, so ERN, I still hold my ERN. Um, yeah, not ideal. Will I have to add lower? I'm I agree. It's it's not ideal here. You can see it over here. You're on 1126, 1126, 11. What? 11? Am I on the wrong chart? Sorry, I completely messed up. It's not ERN that I'm thinking. Sorry, Tom. I don't hold ERN. I'm holding EPS now. That's Dent. Okay, Aaron is here. Uh, yeah, you really want to see this level hold. You want us to start creating a daily stop hunt at this point, Tom. Um, 1126. See, uh, so you maybe you bought on the way up. So you're actually still in profit. You want this to start bouncing here, but the problem is this might want to drop lower into this yellow 9 EMA. So it's not great here. I would be careful. If we don't start creating a stop hunt here, you need to be very careful. There is still the potential of that happening. Um, but yeah, just be careful. I don't really like this as much. I mean, we've had this sort of deviation above the highs, and now we're getting a rejection and dropping back down. So what can happen here? I'm not saying it's going to happen here yet, but you get this reversal. It's a bearish reversal on sort of a deviation stop hunt above them highs. What can happen off these is sometimes you get a bearish sort of pattern. So the bounce back up is a failure, and then you get the second leg lower down to test this level. So I would be careful of that. I'd be concerned about that happening unless we start to create a daily stop hunt here. Okay, so just be careful of that, or be mindful of that. You want this to pop up and close the day today higher than this previous high, and then you want tomorrow, you want the bulls then to step up tomorrow and bring this back up and see if it can actually get that bounce. If this is going to remain weak today, you may have to get out at break even. Well, I don't know what your break even was again. What? 1126. Okay, so you've got a little bit of wiggle room. Maybe have a break even stop if you want to play it really, really tight. But this is a bit of a bearish reversal here that just needs to be. You can see down. Look at this 3-day chart. Yeah, 3 day is pretty bad here. Obviously you want a new 3-day to open up and push back up. Weekly, yeah, your weekly's red. 2 week. At some point, it should come back for liquidity up here, but the 2 week is getting a bit of a sell-off. So slightly mixed reports on that. I would be careful. I would be careful on this. If you don't start to see a little bit of strength today, I would start to get a little bit worried. If price does drop and hit the yellow 9 EMA, it's a slightly bearish sign. For example, we dropped here into the yellow 9. We based and then we dropped again. This is what can happen here. If we drop into this, you can base and then you can get another drop. Okay, so you really want to see strength here today and close above the previous day's low.